Hey everybody, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're here at my house this evening and we're going to trim up this wood line here from the road to my property. Get rid of those branches. Got some down already off of this cedar tree right here. I'm going to get these two here. And using my old Skeeter Amazon saw one of my fans sent me 2 years ago. Man, it works great. Thank you. I cannot remember who sent it. If you remember and you sent it, leave it in the comments. They come with a weed eater, edger, and a pole saw. I use the weed eater and pole saw a lot, or when I need to use it. Cut a little bit there already. I'm gonna trim this up. Just trimming it up where I can come through here with my zero turn and get her mowed. Reach that, get that cut. Cut some of this back. And then go from there. Cut this back. Try to get this one and this one and some of that one there that I can reach and go from there. So I'm gonna do this and I'll show you when I get done, or show you when I get it all cut. I don't want to cut too much because I want there be privacy, but I want it to look nice. A little bit at a time, get her done. Marty, he's coming out. He's helping his wife right now. So heck yeah. Not too bad. I'm getting her done. Marty came out and he put the chain on the chainsaw and it's dull, so he got it sharpened and we got to tighten it up a little more. What's up, Marty? Hey, say what's up. How you doing today? They say hey, how are you? They said how are you doing?
I'm doing just fine.
Yeah, we're getting it done. I did all this while Marty was over there working on the saw. Right now he's just getting the little stuff out, gonna line it up, and I'm gonna continue to cut this away and cut this big chunk out, and he's just gonna line it up in a line right here, and we're gonna come along with the trailer and truck and pick it up a day or two when it dries up. All this dang water. Got a lot of rain yesterday, so yeah, got to get some filled dirt in here. If anybody knows at a decent price or free, want to get rid of some, let me know. Alright, I'm gonna get back to it. So I was waiting on me. Well, alright, there's my marker, my property marker. Cut little bushes here. Got it all trimmed on my side of the property. I'm gonna leave the stuff on the ditch for like a little bit of privacy. Just wanted to throw it back. Shows you how much more yard you got, you know. So I did all the cutting. Marty just piled it up. Cut some big ones here. Getting her done. We're gonna take a break and wait till the water dries up a little bit in the yard and hook to the trailer and burn this stuff. Marty, you're good, brother. Looking better than it did. That old pole saw right there did the job. It's not a steel, it's like a Sun Skeeter, off-brand, Amazon. I had it on a wish list a couple years ago when I had a wish list, and one of my fans, I don't know if it's still a fan, I hope they are. They sent it to me and I get great use out of it, and I want to thank them. This morning we left out, or mid-morning, afternoon, and Marty thought he seen the little gator out here. And he said he thought he seen it again. I said, yeah, you probably did. He said, really? And I said, yeah, sometimes there's one out here, so we're going to keep an eye on them and see if we can spot them. Let's see here. It looks a little murky right now, probably from the sawdust. But yeah, this is what it looks like from out here. Pretty normal, you know. And I'll show y'all what it looks like in there. Got a couple branches out here we got to put in the pile. And I got a couple more tags I can put up. We'll do that on the next one. And there it is. Some cedar wood. Alrighty, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit that thumbs up button. We will see you on the next one. Little night vision for y'all. I don't know how good you can see. Let me see if I turn this light off. Oh, you can't see nothing. Anyways, this is along the road here. You can see the water shining. I trimmed all the trees. Marty helped me. There's my gate right there. Can't see nothing. But anyways, y'all have a great night.